Welcoming you all to our channel. Today we are starting a new series on healthiest food in the world. We will continue to explore the wide variety of foods that researchers say to be the healthiest. Beginning with our first video of this series, we are bringing you the healthiest fruit in the world. Eating fruit on a regular basis can boost health. Not all fruits, although some of them have unique health benefits. Let's look at some of the healthiest fruits. So, let's enlighten you. Grapefruit is one of the healthiest citrus fruit that is extremely nutritious. Eating it can reduce insulin resistance, cholesterol, and help prevent kidney stones. It's known to be useful for weight loss. Being a good source of vitamins and minerals, it is known for its ability to help with weight loss and reduce insulin resistance. In a study in 91 people, those who ate half a fresh grapefruit before meals lost about 2.9 pounds or 1.3 kg more than those who did not. In the same study, grapefruit had a substantial decrease in insulin levels and decreased insulin resistance in humans. It has also been shown that eating grapefruit decreases cholesterol level and helps prevent kidney stones. Apples are among the most common fruits, and they also happen to be extremely nutritious. Its nutrients, antioxidants, and fibers can reduce the risk of disease and improve digestion. They contain high amount of fibers, vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin K. They are also providing some B vitamins. Studies suggest that antioxidants in apple can promote heart health and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidant activity in apple has also been associated with increased bone density in animals and test tube studies. The pectin content in apple is another major health advantage. Pectin is a prebiotic fiber that feeds healthy bacteria in the intestine and helps improve digestion and metabolic health. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and manganese. Its bromelain content can fight inflammation and reduce the risk of cancer. Of the tropical fruits, pineapple is a nutritious powerhouse. 1 cup or 237 ml of pineapple supplies provides 131% of the reference daily intake RDI for vitamin C and 76% of the RDI for manganese. Pineapple also contains bromelain, a combination of enzymes noted for its anti-inflammatory effects and the ability to digest proteins. Test tube and animal studies indicate that bromelain can help protect against cancer and tumor development. Avocados are high in good fats and potassium, all of which are well known for their role in promotion of heart health. It's different from most other fruits because most fruits are high in carbohydrates while avocado is low in carbohydrates. The majority of the fat in the avocado is oleic acid, monounsaturated fat associated with reduced inflammation and improved heart health. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are packed with potassium, fiber, and magnesium. One whole avocado supplies 28% of RDI for potassium. Adequate potassium consumption is associated with lower blood pressure and lower risk of stroke. Mangoes are a very good source of vitamin C. They also contain soluble fiber, which can provide a range of health benefits. In addition, mangoes have a good antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce the risk of disease. Plant compounds in mangoes have been shown to protect against diabetes in animal studies. Blueberries have major health benefits. They have an excellent nutritional profile, being especially high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. They are also extremely high in antioxidants. In fact, they are believed to contain the highest antioxidant content of the fruits most widely consumed. Antioxidant in blueberries can reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Blueberries are also known for their beneficial effects on the immune system. One study found that eating blueberries regularly can increase the body's natural killer cells. This helps to protect you from oxidative stress and viral infections. In fact, antioxidants in blueberries can have a protective effect on your brain. Eating blueberries is said to enhance the memory of older adults. Pomegranate is one of the healthiest fruit you can eat. They have wide-ranging health benefits, are incredibly high in antioxidants and other plant compounds that can help reduce inflammation and prevent disease. The antioxidant amount of pomegranate has been shown to be 3 times higher than that of green tea and red wine. Studies have also shown that pomegranates have anti-inflammatory effects and may help to reduce the risk of cancer. If you are still with us and liked the video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Strawberries are rich in variety of nutrients and antioxidants. Their vitamin C, manganese, folate and potassium content is where they really shine. Compared to other fruits, strawberries have a fairly low glycemic index. Eating them will help regulate the blood sugar level and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Similarly, like other berries, strawberries have a high antioxidant ability which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Animal and test tube tests have shown that strawberries can also help prevent cancer and tumor development. Cranberries. Cranberries have major health benefits. They have an outstanding nutritional profile high in vitamin C, manganese, vitamin E, vitamin K1 and copper. These also produce a small number of antioxidants called flavonoid polyphenols that can improve safety. What makes cranberries special from other fruits is that their juices and extracts help avoid urinary tract infection. A-type proanthocyanidins are compounds thought to be responsible for this effect, as they may prevent bacteria from binding to the lining of bladder and urinary tract. Lemons. Lemons are very good citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C and other plant compounds that can promote heart health, improve weight loss and help prevent kidney stones. They may be especially helpful in promoting heart health because of their ability to reduce blood lipids and blood pressure. Based on the results of animal studies, researchers have also indicated that plant compounds in lemons can help prevent weight gain. Other studies have shown that citric acid in lemon juice has the ability to treat kidney stones. That's all for this video. Hope all of you will be benefited from this video and share the video so others also come to know the benefits. Tell us how you like the video in comment section, like, share and subscribe, spread the knowledge. See you all in next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.